Yo, I'm like an hour in on this motherfucking ARM 125 rebuild. The crank locked up on my mans and shit. But it's all good though. We ain't tripping. You see the bike all broke down. Every part is everywhere. You know what I mean? We quick ship everything too. So all y'all bluffing ass niggas that be waiting a week like, oh, I gotta get my parts shit. No, we don't wanna hear that shit. My man's bike broke and the parts came 2 days later, nigga. And we getting it for cheap. That's all though. I'll get back with them niggas.